Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and let's watch one more performance from X Factor Indonesia my friends. I saw this video and it's right on trending here. It must be a beautiful performance my friends. Today we are gonna listen Kris Tomahu and he's gonna sing a song named Jangan Khianati Aku. Azlan&The Typewriter. Gala Live Show 1 X Factor Indonesia 2024. Let's start.
Punah semua harapan bersama sekira kau larut dalam hati. Aku menanti bayangmu kini, andai yang kau nyata dalam mimpi. Ku rasa resah bila kau tiada, hadirmu mengubah sejuta rasa pedih.
This guy has very strong voice, my friends. This guy is very amazing voice. Kris Tomahu. What a powerful voice he has. And he can sing this kind of rock performances also, rock songs. His voice is very rockish, very strong. And you can hear every word from his performance. He is singing every word with great care. This is amazing. I love that. I only listened 50 seconds, but I already love this performance. This guy is amazing. Kris Tomahu. Very good.
Memilih aku adalah dirimu. Jika benar itu jangan khianati. Berjanji padaku. Percaya selalu. Biarkan semua mereka berkata, asal jangan pernah engkau khianati. Berjanji padaku. Percaya selalu. Aku bagaikan mentari cinta menghiasi cahaya kamarmu.
Look at him. He is very relaxed on the stage. He is looking like he is very experienced. He is looking like that he is singing on the stage for years. Is it like that? I don't know, by the way. Is he experienced? Maybe he is very experienced singer. I don't know. But he is really looking like a star right now. He doesn't need to win this show. He's already a star. He is an amazing singer. Wow. I'm very impressed. This performance is amazing.
Aku pun juga seperti rembulan menemani di saat malammu.
Yes!
Yang memilih aku adalah dirimu. Jika benar itu jangan khianati. Berjanji padaku. Percaya selalu. Biarkan semua mereka berkata, asal jangan pernah engkau khianati. Berjanji padaku. Percaya selalu. Yang memilih aku adalah dirimu.
My friends, this year in X Factor Indonesia is amazing. X Factor Indonesia 2024 is unbelievable. I reacted 4 performances, I think, or more, I don't know. But every time I'm saying that this guy is my favorite. Because we have many great showmen, great singers, every performance. But Kris Tomahu, he is really being my favorite right now. What is this performance? This performance is crazy. This performance is a winner performance, my friend. This is amazing. Woo! I agree with Judica. I agree with Judica. I am just thinking like that, Judica. Yes, you're right.
Wah gila.
Gue gak sabar
Ini sepanjang dia nyanyi gue gini, wah gitu doang tau gak? Wah gila. Gila.
Gak bisa ngomong.
Gak bisa ngomong
lagi.
Emang belum
biar,
tua kan?
biar Unge yang ngomong deh udah.
Unge aja.
Gue juga
And in this part, we have Noah singers also. Welcome, Noah. Welcome, my friends. I miss you. I remember him because of the last year's performances. Okay, let's continue.
bingung ya mau ngomong apa, sebenarnya nggak bisa berkata-kata.
Enggak, udah matang semua ini. Dia cuma perlu konsisten. That's it.
Yes. Tapi ya di luar dari penampilan nyanyinya yang outstanding tadi itu ya.
Outstanding.
Kamu nyanyi keren banget. Dari awal kamu audisi kita juga udah tahu kamu bagus banget. Tapi kamu dimentorin sama Judika jadi makin bagus lagi. Tapi di luar itu aku juga suka look kamu yang baru.
Iya, betul.
Keren banget loh.
Keren.
Iya kan Fit?
Suka banget.
Keren loh. Beneran.
Ini Bang Jude ada kontribusinya banget.
Mantap, luar biasa, keren, mantul, etül, or something like that. Everything for this performance. I really think that like this performance is a winner performance, my friends. He is already is a star. Kris Tomahu. This is my first time to reacting Kris. I think I can't remember before, but he is already a star.
Kayaknya nih ya.
Semuanya
Dalam fashion ya.
Gila sih.
Ya sekarang semuanya pakai stylist aku.
Aku juga ya.
Pilih akulah stylistmu. Jadi supaya seleranya nggak kaget aja. Tapi tepuk tangan dong buat Kris Tomahu. Tadi kita latihan 2 kali dan menurut aku bangga sama Kris karena dari latihan 1, 2 justru yang ketiganya lebih keren pas penampilan ini. Dan tadi yang 1 doang yang aku kasih jangan lupa jadi padaku. Itu kamu dapat semuanya tidak ada buat aku. Ini penampilan pertama kita udah berdiri semua jadi standarnya buat kamu lebih tinggi lagi ya. Sekali lagi congrats. Ini keren banget penampilannya. Aku ngefans sama Kris Tomahu.
Sekali lagi suara mendukung Bang Kris di mana? Betul kata Bang Judika, semua mentor emang standing ovation. Tapi ada satu yang gak berdiri tadi. Vidi kenapa gak berdiri, Vid?
Bukannya gue gak mau berdiri,
Kenapa
lagi
ya?
gak bisa berdiri.
Oh, kenapa gak bisa berdiri?
Lagi ada sedikit sakit di perut. Tapi jujur, Mas Kris, ini penampilan lo paling prima sepanjang sejarah X Factor Indonesia. Gue suka banget dan gue makin ngefans sama lo. Semoga orang-orang yang nonton di rumah tuh gak cuma suka dan dengerin aja. Vote lo semua, vote. Jangan lupa vote. Ini bukan anak didik gue.
I can see that all of the judges is excited for this performance. I can see that all of those judges impressed with this performance and he asked for vote, right? And he is right. He is right. All of them is impressed. We saw standing ovation for this performance and it is well deserved.
Tapi ini kayak vote gak lo semua gitu. Thank you.
Tapi untuk menyamakan suara dengan mentor yang lain, kalau emang Vidi setuju dengan standing ovation, boleh diangkat tangannya Vidi? Oke, berarti ada 5 standing ovation buat Bang Kris. Wow. Nah ini kalau ngomongin soal performance Bang Kris tadi emang menyentuh banget sih Bang, pecah banget. Aku yakin kayaknya vote kamu juga pecah banget malam hari ini. Untuk itu buat teman-teman semua kalau pengen Bang Kris tetap ada di atas panggung kalau live show, vote sebanyak-banyaknya buat Bang Kris ya. Nah lagu tadi itu dinyanyikan oleh seseorang. Nah yang seseorang ini yang punya lagu ini juga memberikan dukungan nih buat Bang Kris. Oke kita lihat dulu aja nih fotonya, ini dia nih. Ada support dari Azlan, ini adalah penyanyi aslinya untuk lagu yang dinyanyikan Bang Kris. Tuh, salam dan sejahtera pada semua warga pelosok Nusantara.
What's happening? Is this from social media? Really? Is this about Kris? I don't know. I can't understand. Expose.
Semoga sehat hendaknya. Mari kita bersama-sama beri sokongan yang padu kepada saudara kita, Bang Kris Tomahu. Di pertandingan X Factor Indonesia, keren banget Bang ya. Oke, sekali lagi kita berikan tepuk tangan untuk Bang Kris Tomahu.
Bravo, bravo Kris. Bravo.
High excellence.
So I think this is the end of the video, my friends. Let's watch more. Okay, let's hear Kris what he's gonna sing.
Jangan lupa dukung Kris Tomahu dengan vote sekarang juga. Caranya buka aplikasi RCTI Plus, scroll dan pilih
Okay, I think this is commercial, my friends. Let's pass this one. Thank you, my friends, for watching it with me. You know, I can't see all of the X Factor Indonesia performances, but this performance is deserved to watch, my friends. Kris Tomahu. This is really, and believe me, I'm very sincere about this comment. This is really a winner performance. He sang this song, Jangan Khianati Aku, and this is an amazing performance. He has very strong, very powerful voice, and he can be a great rock singer also. He can do anything with those special voice, my friends. Thank you for watching it with me as always. Thank you for your support. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself, and let's see you in the next videos. Bye bye.